How to transfer GGives to CIMB Bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer GGives to CIMB Bank. For this, you want to download and install the new CIMB Bank app on your device. You can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. If you already have the application, you want to make sure that you're using the updated version of the app. Now, once you have downloaded it, you want to simply log into your account. Once you have been logged in using your credentials, you want to select the Link My GSave or GCredit account option. Then you will have two options here. The first one is GSave account and the second one is GCredit account. Go ahead and select your GCredit account over there. By linking your GCredit, you will be able to apply for other CIMB products that you won't be able to see your GCredit details on the app. Now you will have to provide the same mobile number and email address that is registered to your GCredit account. So on the first box, enter your mobile number. On the second box, you want to enter your email address. Then tap on the continue option. Now step 4 is to create your username. Make sure that you include all of the criteria for the username. Then you will have to enter your mother's maiden name. Now tap on the continue option. Next thing you want to do is create your password. Make sure you create a strong one. Now you want to create your MPIN to verify the in-app transactions. Once all of these processes are done, your GCredit will now be successfully linked. Now you will be able to transfer your GCredits to CIMB Bank. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.